Hello, this is Renee, and welcome to my channel, Mommy for 5 Griffins. I have been wanting a dishwasher for so very long, and I finally have one. And I went ahead and it was delivered this morning, and I got busy installing it around 12 noon, and 6.5 hours later, and 4 trips to Lowe's, and I ran a load of dishes. Yes. But in the process, what happened was I have a 100-year-old house, and I could not turn off the main water. I have no main water valve shut off, and I have no hot water shut off for the kitchen. So I was thinking and thinking and thinking, how am I going to install this dishwasher with no main valve shut off? So finally, after 3 hours of debating, I finally bit the bullet and decided to do it while the water was still running. And water went everywhere. Oh my goodness, it flooded my kitchen and was all over me. I was soaking wet. And I just, oh my gosh, it took me about an hour just to get the hose on the dishwasher. Thank God I've got a drain down in the basement where all the water can escape. It was a huge mess. I mean, I was soaking wet, water everywhere. I finally got it cleaned up, and I hopefully my husband doesn't see this video, because he'll just have a fit. But yes, I finally have a dishwasher. I've got a mess now in the basement where I gotta dry off, and thank God I got the kitchen all dried out. But yeah, I got a dishwasher, and I flooded my kitchen. Oh, it was a total mess. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. I really wanted that dishwasher, so I hooked it up. I did it all by myself. I made a big mess, but I did it all by myself. And hey, thank you for watching, and have a wonderful evening. Please subscribe. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.